Filming attempt number 2. The thing is, what you got to remember is, because I'm filming, I ride like a spastic. But I'm like, look at this, get a load of this. Oh, just powder, just glorious, glorious powder. Oh, and I'm stuck in it. You can see that. Oh, I gotta put my glove back on. Oh, I'm getting stuck in the powder. Oh wow. Now I am stuck. I'm gonna find one back on again. It's very hard to get glove on one-handed. Alright, here we go. This is me, buried. Somehow I've got to go over there. I don't know how I'm going to do that. Just get buried. I don't think this is going to be bad. Oh. I know. I'll try and come across. Oh. I'm having a sit down. Having a bit of a sit down rest. Alright, that's some skiers. They're quite beginners. But I'll try and stay away from them. They'll hit them and that'll be bad. There they are. Go. Get on the speed now. Start this powder up because it's so soft. I'm just sinking it. You've got to keep the speed up, but it's quite steep, so you do take off. Very easy. You just do that, but if you're not careful. Oh yeah. Because so soft, very hard to find an edge, and then you lose control. Oh wow, that's completely untouched out of here. Oh, I see how much I sink into it. I'm going to try and do that quick. So that you know it stays out of the powder. Otherwise, you just sink. And I'm just going straight now, because if I don't, I just sink into it. It's so good. There's the gang over there. Yoo-hoo! There they are. There's Dazza. Oh yeah. Incredible. This powder. Absolutely. Time quite a lot of speed now. Oh yeah. That turn. Oh yeah, I'm on the look at the powder coming off. I'm on the flat now, and I've just got to keep enough speed up before I get to the turn. It's dangerous on the flats because very easy to catch an edge and really hurt yourself. I've done that a couple of times and I thought I almost knocked myself out. Oh yes, it's just gorgeous. Yeah, I've caught two really bad back edges and I thought I was going to be unconscious. I hit that hard, but this powder is a lot more forgiving, the edges, but it has its other challenges where you sink in and then you speed up and then so it's a little bit unpredictable because sometimes, here we go. Oh, that's a wipeout. That was a wipeout. I'm going to turn over because it's hard to get going off your back edge. Oh, I think that's Dale. Dale just had a wipeout. It's hard to get going off your back edge, so it's a lot easier to get going off your front edge. Oh, this is really rough and steep, this section, so sort of maintain control without the bouncy stuff bouncing across the powder. It's harder to maintain control. Oh, there we go. There goes Jonah. Jonah's just an absolute machine at this. Oh, and I didn't get enough speed. Ordinarily would have easily made it over this. There's Jonah. Ordinarily I would have easily made it over this, but because the powder is so thick today, then you lose speed quite quickly. I might have to unhook.
Spiraling path.
There's Dazza, he managed to maintain enough speed. Just. There's Kiri. Alright, so we're moving again. There's Dale. About to run into him. Have to wash off a bit of speed so I don't hit him. There he is. There's Daryl. Oh, hang on. Oh wow, that was close. Pay attention. Pay attention to Dale and don't hit him. It's probably a good idea. Oh, there he is. So I'll put the brakes on there. We'll get some speed up. We'll just hold the front edge. Hold the front edge and we'll get a bit of speed. Catch up to him again. There he is. Just sort of butter my way down so I can there he is. He's having a great time. Oh no, and I run the flats again. Trying to make it. Oh, and then it gets steep right here. I'm about to go off the edge. But I'm going to turn into a butter. Oh, and there's Dale again. He loves to be in my lane. Dale. Oh, look at that. And because it's so powdery, then I just stop and I'm buried.